When it comes to therapy, sometimes we think of two people sitting in a room talking about feelings. But what happens when therapy involves getting on a surfboard, meeting incredible people, and riding those waves? Now, Waves for Change are an incredible organization, and today we're joining them for an immersive experience to acknowledge and celebrate World Mental Health Day, making sure that we're checking in on not just one another, but ourselves as well. So I think it's enough from me right now, and it's time for me to dive right in. Can I ask you a little bit about, the day's only just started, but how do you feel?
So first and foremost, happy Mental Health Day, World Mental Health Day. I think nervous this morning because the weather was showing up, but excited. I think we spoke Monday and I said something around the beautiful chaos that we had, and I think that for me is something that I just wanted people to be able to witness firsthand and experience for themselves. So there's still time to come around and get people to come and enjoy what we are celebrating this month. But I think if anyone's seeing what they see behind me now, they know that it's pure magic that's happening.
Now, when it comes to, World Mental Health Day and surfing, we touched on it at the live show, but for anybody that didn't watch it, what's the relevance? Why tie surfing into mental health? How do those two things work together?
So after much research done on the work around it, they found that kids are catching respite, it's helping with toxic stress, it's helping them regulate their emotions and for them to help self-soothe. So for us, it's getting more kids to be able to have that, because I think, like we said on Monday, the communities aren't changing, but we do need the kids to be better equipped for those communities. So the idea around the surf is blending, like many medium of soccer, netball or rugby. We're using surf, but the medium and the end goal is still the same, as for help kids become better human beings, become better people in the communities that they serve, and just being able to cope with the struggles that they challenged with daily.
When it comes to putting together today, I know this is the second event. What is your hopes for all the events going forward?
I think just huge. Of course, we want huge success, but huge support. I think we've spoken about it quite a bit this month, and with other people is saying I think I spoke to you on Monday, and you were so happy when I said someone listened. And I think for me, that's the key message in this. Therapy is now in session officially today, as we launch our campaign for the next couple of months. But ideally in this month, we're asking and we're pleading with people to listen to what kids are saying out there at our lessons, and just filling your own cup. Today is about filling your own cup for your own mental health and well-being. I think as moms, as parents, as people, as human beings, as employees, if today you just take a minute to catch your breath, take 5, do a breathing exercise. We're going to be doing it with people on the beach, so they're getting it firsthand, and with you guys. But I think if someone can just take a moment for themselves and fill their cup, it does mean they'll become more, and there'll be more of them and more of themselves to give to others, and that's what we need.
So, Bhuja, you are, I believe, the senior surf coach here with the incredible Waves for Change. I have to ask a little bit about your story. What got you into surfing first?
So what got me into surfing first, I didn't know it was I was gonna be like at this point that I am now. So I just went I just wanna surf. So it started back in the days, maybe 2011. So we were just at the beach roaming around with my friends. Then we saw some people that are having surfboard. Then I was like, I wanna try that. Then I didn't know that it was Waves for Change, they were gonna equip us with the skills that they did equip us now to be able to implement them out of Waves for Change. So that's why I started there. It's a long journey for me at Waves for Change. Also, there's this guy called Pish. He's around here, but I'm not sure where he is. But he's also the guy that pushed me so hard to become one of the Waves for Change participant and also a coach.
And it sounds like you're so grateful to him for really pushing you in the right direction. I can tell how passionate you are about surfing, and 2011 to 2024, that's a long journey, hey, with multiple chapters. Now you're in a position that you are now where, kids like you're teaching them,
Yeah.
Why Why do you think it's important to get kids to engage with the ocean, learn how to surf? Why is it so important for kids?
I think firstly, water is therapeutic itself. So once they hear the beach, once they see or once they stand in the sand, they're gonna be like, nah, I'm feeling more calm. So that which is allow them to keep on coming, and also which is allow them to be on the water to experience some new challenging tasks that we deliver to them so that they can try out there. Yeah, so it's kind of nice. Yeah, to see them being here in the program, and also especially the ones that came from my community to see like okay, Coach Bucha is doing this, so we can also do it. So let's just stick on it. Let's just pay attention on him. Whatever he's saying, let's listen to him.
How do you feel about today?
I feel good about today. I think part of my work is not only to manage and supervise and mentor, but it's also to celebrate and create an awareness around mental health.
What is so important for you to be involved in this kind of environment? Why do you care about being part of the surfing and Waves for Change community?
Well, first and foremost, surfing, it's something that's new to us in my community, and that's one. And two, the ocean itself is so therapeutic on its own, and I think coming from a community where mental health, it's something that it's taboo, and we are able here to deconstruct all those stereotypes and all those myths, and I think that's what excites me more about using the ocean to actually address this issue.
When it comes to interacting with everybody at this event, and you can see the smiles on everybody's faces, are you excited for the future? What are the future plans for Waves for Change? What are the hopes and future plans?
Yeah, look, the future is bright for us. I mean, this is our second annual event. We started it last year, and today it looks bigger and better. So we're hoping to grow from strength to strength. And not only that, and I think what we're trying to do is that we're also trying to create a footprint for Waves for Change, and collaboration and working with other people, because it's no use to work in your little corner. It's all about collaborating and meeting other people and spreading the word and just creating this positive ripple effect.
And with the incredible mountains as a backdrop, as well as the iconic Muizenberg houses, it brings us to the end of the day. Cape Town weather, a little bit of sun, a little bit of cloud, jersey and hat kind of weather. But what an incredible immersive experience and an incredible day with Waves for Change. I can't wait to do it all over again next year.